How's it going, guys? My name's Will, or Willie G, and I am making this video just to kind of give a little background to what I'm about to do. I am about to travel for 3 months around Europe, living out of a backpack and going to hostels, just traveling for 3 months. Hopefully, if it all works out, I'll be able to make a video every single day, like a daily vlog that you guys could watch for my friends, family, and anyone else that wants to join me for my journey. You can look forward to, some days I'm going to be trying weird foods or trying really good food, like reviews of places, reviews of trains, reviews of everything. I don't, basically whatever I'm feeling like on that day of what I'm doing. So if you follow along and join me for this journey, you'll see Europe through my eyes, see my triumphs, see the annoying parts, which will probably be all my stuff not working, which I'm sure will happen more than once because I'm quite unlucky. Whilst one of my goals is to go on holiday basically for 3 months and enjoy the trip, I do want to find out which country has the weirdest overall vibe, foods, just anything. So once we get more into it, it would definitely be more of a solid idea, but that is probably one of the main goals I want to do. What I'm hoping for this trip, or one of my hopes, is that I can inspire one or a group of people to also do this journey at some point in their lives. Because you never know, they might be thinking about it and might be worried about what could actually happen, and I would like my videos to be a guidance to show that, well, I hope they all go alright, because I haven't started yet, so it might all go terribly and inspire no one. But we will see. But hopefully, if it all works out, it will inspire one person to take that leap and also do what I'm doing. To help out with that, I am going to now show you everything I'm packing, everything I'm bringing for this trip, to give you an idea of what to bring for yourselves if you're going to do this. And for the clothes, I've got my dad to model, so I'll do a little voiceover while he shows you what I've got. Okay, so I'm on my headset mic now, so it's probably a bit worse, but here we go. We have, like, obviously my wash bag, like, there you go. You got some throat medicine there, like jewels, lens wipes because I wear glasses, obviously. Cucumber wipes, tissues. We've got a first aid kit. That's probably the most important thing. And there's like a little, not really a burner phone, just a phone that just in case my regular phone gets stolen. And here we have it, the main event. So this is the undercoat to my coat. And then here's Dad putting on the rest of the coat. I can't really remember how long this is, so there it is. Here he is putting on. Oh, wow, look how great he looks. Oh, it's raining. Oh no. What we got next? Oh, here he is looking real serious with a fleece on. And there's another one, a nice blue one. What else we got? Oh, that's a third fleece. Yeah, he really likes that one. Alright, what's next? Oh, another jumper, which I was just wearing in the last clips. Whoa. And there's one of my t-shirts I'm gonna wear. Maybe. We'll see. Look at that. Oh, that's my scarf. Look at that. Round his neck. Look how beautiful that is. And oh look, there he is with my bag. This pretty big bag. Oh, he's struggling a bit there. Oh, here we go. There you go. This is what I'm gonna look like. Whoa, look, I'm running away. Oh, wow, look at that. Wow, that's amazing. Ha 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 ha. Calling this as a quick one because I forgot to film this. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the fashion show. I hope you subscribe and like and want to join me on this journey, and thank you. The first episode will be out tomorrow. Don't know what time. I'm not sticking to a schedule because don't know if I have Wi-Fi. So thank you very much, guys. I'll see you later.